elevate your takeout with the shrimp egg roast. I'll share with you all my tips and tricks and common mistakes to avoid, so they will turn out perfectly every time.
You're not gonna believe how tasty they are. Shockingly delicious.
In a food processor, add the deveined shrimp and blend it until it becomes a paste. Followed by the carrot, ginger, sesame oil, salt, and white pepper. Mix together. I have an awesome trick for you here. You'll love it. Place the filling in a pastry bag or a Ziploc bag. And cut open the tip. When you wrap the egg rolls, do they end up in different sizes and shapes? This is the perfect solution. It's also completely mess-free. Many people ask me where to buy the egg roll wrappers. They're available in most Asian supermarkets. You can also purchase them in superstores like Target and Walmart. So what are the differences between egg roll wrappers and spring roll wrappers? Egg roll wrappers have eggs in them, and they are thicker. Spring roll wrappers don't have eggs in them and are much thinner. Lay an egg roll wrapper flat. Squeeze the filling in the bottom corner. Fold the bottom corner up, followed by the two sides to the center. Continue to roll it up. Brush beaten egg over it. Roll it up all the way. Repeat with the rest. Avoid wrapping it too tight, as it might burst open while frying. If you like to freeze them and cook them in the future, place them in a single layer and cover them up with a plastic wrap. When ready to cook, just fry them directly, no defrosting is necessary. In a large pot over high heat, pour the oil inside and heat it up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Just make sure the oil is hot enough, otherwise they will absorb more oil and become greasy. Transfer the egg rolls inside. Fry until crispy for about 4 minutes. Here's a little test for you. What is one ingredient that egg roll wrappers have and spring roll wrappers don't have? Please comment below. You could serve them the way they are or dip it in my homemade sweet chili sauce. And click here for the recipe.
This is shockingly delicious and just so crispy. I love it. If you also like to make spring rolls at home, check out the video right here. Subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Would you like to watch exclusive behind-the-scenes content? Please become a supporter. Your support helps me in creating more easy to follow Asian recipes. Thank you for being awesome.